Yo, what's up friends? Welcome to the unboxing video of my new replica Deadpool suit from Costume Replica Cave. Okay friends, let's see how the suit looks. So here you can see the pro version of the Deadpool movie replica suit. I choose the version with the resort look like in Deadpool 2. The material of the suit is a stretchy leather which makes the suit very comfortable to wear. And the details of the suit are very well done. On the arms and the legs are zippers that simplify the dressing. And there is also a zipper to go to the bathroom. That's very important for the man. So let's turn around. The large zipper on the back make it easy to put on. Okay, let's look inside. The inner fabric is a breathable material for a very good wearing comfort. Here you can see the shoulder pads. The shoulder pads stand out nicely for a perfect look. And the shoulder pads are from Ilustrastudios, which collaborates with Costume Replica Cave. Okay friends, let's put on the suit. This is the suit looks dressed. Very comfortable to wear and I can move very well. So this is everything looks complete. You can find all the links in the description under the video. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Maximum effort.